Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are one of my new subscribers, thank you for joining me today, and if you are one of my old friends, thanks for coming back. Today we will be hopping into this bad boy right here. Very excited. I have played with it once already to kind of get a sense of how they work, you know. This is the James Charles and Morphe collaboration. If you have not seen it yet, girl, where you been? It is absolutely stunning. I've watched enough tutorials and I've played with it enough. I've swatched it enough that I think I know how this works. I know how this will go. For today's video, I plan on doing 3 looks in one video. So if you want to see that happen, keep on watching. And if you guys like my video and you like me, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Especially if you have this palette, comment below. I'm going to be using the Morphe Eyelid Primer in Translucent for all of the looks. I have played with it. I don't love it, but we want to give this palette its respect and a real good chance to do its best. So I'm going to use the Morphe Eyelid Primer to go with it. Before I actually start into the video, it's going to be fast forwarded and I probably won't be talking, but I want to say one thing about this palette that I think is an important thing to say that I don't know that anybody has said yet before, which is that I believe, in my opinion, which is worth peanuts, I believe that this palette is amazing. It's everything that I've ever wanted or needed. But I don't think that this palette is necessarily for everybody. And what I mean by that is that this palette, the pigments, the way that it's set up and just everything about it, it really is set up for somebody who is already in the process of playing with makeup. You know, not a beginner, not somebody who has not learned how to blend eyeshadow yet or use different types of eyeshadows and different techniques with different types of eyeshadows. So I think what my recommendation is if you do buy this and you are a beginner with makeup, just buyer beware. You're really gonna have to dive in deep to learning how to use different brushes and different techniques with different types of shadows, pressed differently, shimmer shadows that are, you know, he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shimmer eyeshadow shades right here, but they're all different formulas, you know what I mean? So you have to really have a good idea of some different techniques with different formulas. That being said, I don't want to hinder anybody from buying this because even if you are a beginner, this has so much that you could work with. I just don't want anybody to get frustrated thinking that maybe they're not doing a good job or that the palette is not good just because maybe you haven't quite learned enough about different formulas, different techniques, and different tools. Alright, so I'm going to prime these eyelids and we will get started with the first look. We're starting off with some, what is this? Code James. Then we're going to go into the shade Mary. Go in with the same brush and use Boutique.
Let's go.
shades I'm going to go in with are Shook and Wig. Shade Mary to feather it out. Alright, we're going to go in with just a little touch of Flashback on the very, very tippy toppies, so that if there is any little harsh moment, nice and smooth. Alright, I'm going to do my face and I'll be right back. Alright, had to put my hair back for a minute there, but this is looking stunning. Let's move on to the under eye, and we're going to do the same exact thing that we did on the top to the bottom. Alright, you guys, the first look is complete, and it is just gorgeous, and it did not take too long to do the blending. The blending was not difficult, but like I said, the eyeshadows there's a lot of different formulas going on here. All right, let's move on to the next look. All right, moving on to the next colors. We're gonna start with Playground. Into Brother. And I'm going to go in with Cola. Set that with Ring Light. I'm going to use a little bit of Escape, which is the purple. Single in the inner corner. A little bit of Hello on the inner corner. Alright, you guys, here is another look done. I love this. These are my favorite colors. Comment below, what do you guys think? I love. Alright, we are on to our last and final eye. I have been enjoying myself, but my eyelids are starting to feel a little bit raw. So let's wrap it up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye! I'm going in with B. like I look like the McDonald's sign right now. I'm going in with Social Blade. Now we're gonna go in with Daddy. Go back in with B. Acapella. Gorgeous. I just kind of fell into the glitter tonight. And eyelashes. And that is it for this 3-in-1 video, you guys. I went a little nuts on the last one, but you know what? This was an artist palette and I had so much fun playing with it. I can't wait to keep playing with it and creating new looks that are interesting. Thanks again for watching, you guys, and I will see you on Friday. Bye!